My name is Ben Van Severen. I'm a criminal defense attorney based in Milwaukee, Wisconsin at Van Severen Law Office. I am creating this video today to discuss the charge of misdemeanor battery. Misdemeanor battery is a crime prohibited by section 940.19 of the Wisconsin statutes. Battery, like all other crimes in Wisconsin, has certain elements that need to be proven beyond a reasonable doubt before a prosecutor can achieve a conviction. The first element of battery is that the defendant caused bodily harm of the victim. Cause means the defendant's act was a substantial factor in producing the bodily harm. Bodily harm means physical pain, injury, illness, or any impairment of the physical condition. The second element of battery is that the defendant intended to cause the bodily harm. Intent to cause bodily harm means that the defendant had the mental purpose to cause bodily harm to another human being, or the defendant was aware that his conduct was practically certain to cause bodily harm to another human being. The third element is that the defendant must have caused the bodily harm without the consent of the victim. And the fourth element is that the defendant knew that the victim did not consent. So what actually is a battery? The easiest way to think about a battery would be a bar fight. You have someone who walks up to another person and punches them in the face. In this scenario, the first element is that the defendant would have caused bodily harm to the victim. The second element would be that he intended to cause the bodily harm because he actually reached out and struck that person. Third, the victim did not consent. And fourth, the defendant knew that the victim did not consent. There are numerous other types of battery cases. The example I just provided is an example of misdemeanor battery. But there are also batteries involving domestic violence, and there's also felony level batteries. The criminal defense lawyers at Van Severen Law Office have defended hundreds of battery cases throughout their careers. We've defended felony battery cases, misdemeanor battery cases, and battery cases involving domestic violence. It's our position that hiring the best criminal defense attorney you can is going to encourage the best possible results for your case. Contact us at Van Severen Law Office to begin working on your case.